I don't know what else to use on my brows to make them lay flat. So for now, I use gel. But I'm sure there are other things that you can use to make them lay flat. Guys, remember when I used to cut off my eyebrow? I remember? My eyebrow did cut off, you know? I used to have half an eyebrow in my old video them. You guys should... No, I'm not telling you to go and watch my old videos because that's not where I am anymore. But I'm just saying, yeah, you know, if you feel a little bit nostalgic, go and watch my old videos. Because my old videos will give you a really good insight of now. And then it'll be easier for you to spot, like, the difference and, like, the major changes, you know? Not that you don't need to. But what's the point of creating older videos if you're not going to watch them? One would argue we just created them in the moment. But yes, but as we know, whatever's on the internet, it stays there forever, you know? So, bear that in mind. Oh, I'm so itched. So, make that dry down, make that stay down. Oh, you know what I usually do too? I usually spray it, the Gorilla Glue, but sometimes it's just too messy. Yo, this is just what I do. I'm sure there's an easier way. I'm sure there's an easier way. I just don't know it, okay? I don't know it. I don't watch videos on how to, like, make your eyebrows go flat. I don't. Oh, gosh. I don't think... Yeah, I've said this before. It's very... I like to do my own thing, you know? A couple years ago, I did a look and somebody completely accused me from stealing from somebody else, and I did not. Completely accused me. So since that, I have a thing with, like, watching videos. I don't know, I can't explain it because I can't explain it. But I'm just... I don't want to be rude, but nobody does what I do on YouTube. I can't watch a video to see how to do colored brows. They don't do that on YouTube. It's not something that's prevalent. It's not something that is done. Let me say that. Where's the thingy? I had it in my hand. Okay. It's not something that's done. So because it's not something that's done... Anyway. So this is my LA Pro Concealer in white. Y'all see me this a million times. I have tutorials. Let's just go and come back.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back.
I love your face.
Oh, you love my face?
Yes.
Thank you.
I love your eyebrow.
You like my eyebrow?
Yeah, I love
Thank you.
your hair too.
Better than last year, it's a new me. Never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
No, we're not going to leave it. I'm finishing up my makeup first. Then we're going to eat breakfast. Then we'll just get ready and leave, okay? Put on your foot. Huh?
How about the German papa too?
You have to eat breakfast, Jelly. They can't go down and not eat anything. Because as a touch road, you're hungry. I'm not buying nothing from the road today.
But I don't need food. Maybe that's fine.
Jonathan, even though it's a game, you have to think about why do things. You hear? Give it thought. Even though it's a game.
Ooh.
See, I gotta eat. What you eat from morning? You eat orange and what else?
Orange.
Just orange alone?
Yeah.
No, Jolly can't just eat sauce or orange. You have to eat before we leave out to go to the bar.
Okay. Daddy's playing Driving Empire. Good bravest. What do you do?
But I'm going to go to the barber and yeah, and then go to the post office because there's one money.
Mommy, what is this? A mirror?
Yeah.
And what is this?
Stop asking me foolishness, please.
Wow. What's the fun no more?
I brush my teeth. I don't know if that's what you're smelling, the toothpaste.
I'm fun no more. Yeah, that's fun.
My mouth smell bad. I brush my teeth.
No, you're not.
I did brush my teeth, Jal.
No, you're not dead.
I did. I don't know about not did. I did brush my teeth.
No.
Jalil, I'm not have the conversation now with my brush my teeth.
No.
I did brush my teeth.
No.
I did.
No.
Stop that. No.
Wow.
No.
Mommy. Eyebrow.
It changed, the song change. The beat change.
The beat? Mommy, I know what sport this is.
No. Yeah, football, American football.
And my sister wrong answer.
So Jonathan, come out, you don't know how to play American football. That's for Americans. We don't play that kind of football, you know. The football we play on the ground. For the football them play with them on.
Wow.
Jelly, they can go for the scissors for me, please, on the table.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Hi.
Alright, so you're going to pick off the, it's right for Rakisha lashes. I realize that the glue it sticks more. They have more glue on these lashes at the ends, right? So, yeah, on my knee. So what you're going to do, well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit it to my eye. So put it on and see how it looks. If it's too big, oh crap. If it's too big, I'm going to cut it down, but I'm not going to cut down from the longest part. I'm going to cut down from the shortest. So see how the lash is shaped? So it's from small to big, from long to short. So I'm going to cut from the short side, not from the long, because you always want to maintain length at the end of your lashes. Do not get rid of the length. So if you're cutting your lashes, always cut from the inside, closest to the part that's closest to the nose. And for pomade lashes, you can till like 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm just going to kind of count where I'm cutting and then mimic it for the other side. So I'm going to cut off 3. 1, 2, 3. I hope that's enough.
Wow.
So I trim it down. I read it for my tweezer. So that looks like on my eyes. Oh, not bad. Oh yes, Rakisha. Okay, good. So we are going to be putting on glue. Huh?
To the Bible?
No, I said Rakisha. That's the name of the lash. The name of the lash is Rakisha. Rakisha. Yeah.
Mommy,
Malcolm, Jonathan, breakfast ready.
Michael.
It really does give like a cat eye. Okay. This is my first time wearing Rakisha. It's really, really subtle. It makes the eye makeup pop. To be honest, Latoya lashes would have been perfect with this because of a dramatic look. But if you want, I know my shit in a row. So Rakisha lashes are subtle as shit. So the reason why it has this kind of, you see this kind of, I don't know if you're seeing it looks kind of darker here. That's because I have here so lined. So it's going with that depth that's there. If I should have push it up some more for me. That's this for sure. So I'm going to cut down again. 1, 2, 3. I think cutting 3 was a bit of a stretch. I should have done 2 and then like see how it goes from there rather than just jumping into the 3, but we're here now. So So no turning back. Now I can tell the difference in lash application. This applied more up, and this applied straight across. I like the straight across. So what I'm going to do is put it more on the area that my lashes grow, more on the lash line than on the skin. I doubt I'll be able to explain properly what I'm saying. This eye is longer than this one. Yeah, it is. Because this eye, I cut this down too short than this one. So I have to cut down this one short now to make it match.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this.
I'm all done with the tutorial.
Mommy?
Yes, Papa?
I eat off my egg.
You eat of an egg? How much egg you eat?
2.
2?
Yeah. 4.
Oh my god, you ate 4 eggs?
Yeah, and 2.
Oh my Papa, I'm so proud of you. You love egg, huh? I love you, you know that? We'll still go to the bar, but let me check. Jonathan, you know what time it is? Jolly, can put back down the scissors, please?
Yes, sir.
What time? Oh, what early? I think after 8, you know? Don't touch that, Papa. Let me see. No, I'm gonna miss you, man. Jaleel, why they do all them fart? They know. Here, Bubs. Put that back for me, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All done, you guys. Wearing Rakisha lashes. And I have something to tell you guys. Thank God this is a vlog. So I thought Rakisha lashes were sold out because on the website I only put up that we have 10 available. They're not sold out. I made a huge blunder and I'm only putting this in the vlog. I'm not putting this on Instagram because they're gonna roast me. They're gonna call me all sorts of names. And I ain't finna hear that, honey. I'm protecting my mental health today. And your mama, because if you go off, may I go off with you. I'm gonna reach before you want to stung down wait pan you down there. Then I'm gonna go off again. So yeah, I love it. I really, really, really wish I had Verna lashes. Bitch. Verna lashes. I'm gonna switch to Verna lashes. Verna lashes are gonna make me look so good. It's either Verna or which is it? Is either Verna or Latoya, but they're gonna pop this look, bro. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about, and y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about, bro. Lashes make a difference, bro. You know, let me use Verna because I've been wearing Latoya, and Latoya is sold out. Latoya is sold out. Latoya is completely unavailable. It is not available. Gone. A 2 I have left. I'm tell girl say a 2 I have left and she take it. She order for your nuts food. So I have nothing left, my love. Latoya done. Can you imagine? I didn't order a lot of Latoya though. That's why it finished so quick. But whenever I say anything finish quick for me, I didn't order a lot of it. I ordered what I could, you know. So this is why I'm going as hard as I can. So these sales will allow me to order the amount of lashes that I can order, so I can be in stock for it. Like a good amount of time. I want to be able to have the lashes on my website and in stores as well. But I'm also really hesitant to work with anybody for my brand, because if you recognize who I am, I'll post the pages and the business all over my page, my stories, and it's just promo for them. They get followers, and it's the same thing that has been happening to me for years. So I'm not about to let that happen to me again. So this is the year of the bitch that them are gonna call me, because as my seat me I point it up. I didn't even give time for say no, man. As my seat, brother, me I point it up because as to say you stay with people. So I'm working on that. God is just doing an amazing thing, and I am all here for it. Everything. Yes, Baba? Not until 9:30. We're leaving here at 9:30. Yes, Jono? You finish eating? As long as I finish eating and you come back over here at 9 o'clock, because you're leaving here at 9:30. You see what I mean? And I don't set them yet. Oh my gosh. It's just so nice and bold. I love it. I love it. Don't get me wrong. I love the subtleness of Rakisha for bridal. For when I'm doing a day makeup and I just want brows and lashes. Definitely Rakisha and Kyra, those two are very subtle, but Rakisha does allow you, it allows your lash line, your top lash line, to look as if it's lined though, because it's really thick at the band. Oh no, it has more fullness at the band with how the lashes are. Sorry, it has fullness at the band, so it gives your eye like a lined effect, like you line your eyes with like an eyeliner pencil without it actually being lined. Why is he on your back? If he's on your back, you allowed him to go on your back.
My back is dying.
Stop speaking like that, please, Jonathan. Please stop speaking like that. I hate how this one put on. This one put on closer down. This one put on further up. You guys will not know what I'm talking about, but that's what's happening. But look it. It's just way, to me, this lash fits the look more. These are for now $6 on our website. So when you put on lashes, sometimes it can be a little bit over, as in it's uneven. When you look at it head on, you can tell that it's uneven on one side. Either this lash comes over too much, or this lash comes, it's not over enough. So there is symmetry involved in doing your lashes as well, in applying your lashes. I'm gonna hold you. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I'm catching up on the bed. Lord of His mercy. Turn up. I like it. It's nice. Okay, I'm gonna eat breakfast now. I've been filming. This is the aftermath of my filmation. Oh. I hope I don't become that, like, just pressing everything every minute just to record. Mama, I can get some of the grape soda?
Grape soda. Grape soda in there? Drink it there. Don't you know vanilla in there?
This?
Oh, yeah.
You must say to get a body message for lunch, you know.
Oh, yes.
Alright guys, so now breakfast, and then it's 8:19. So after breakfast I'm going to straighten up. I'll go Baba around something there. I tell Baba 10 o'clock, but I want to reach early, you know. I might reach early. As I'm done eat, I might just, but you don't want to do up at the mall and sit down with them. I feel you judging me. I don't like it.
That's 99. You're not that old.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were.